Alrighty everybody, peace. This is Amira here with the Beleza Artistica channel. And right now I'm in my inspiration room where I am getting my bag ready to go because I'm getting ready to do henna for an open house that we are doing today. We do it every third Saturday of the month. I've been doing that for about 3 years now. And yeah, I'm just packing it up, getting ready to go and do that. This is my little essentials bag where it's got my nail clippers to open up the henna cones, alcohol pads to wipe people's hands and whatnot, a little light, and some gloves. And do I need some? I need to get my chairs and stuff together. So when I go to this open house, I usually try to have my own chairs and table, which are these guys right here. They've been through a lot. I put them on this little cart that folds up, which is handy. I just set it up like so. Put this up, lock it in, and then we can move things. The setup. We are mobile. So we are on our way to the open house, and we'll check back in with you when we get over there. See you at the open house.
Hi, this is Esther, and I'm very pleased with Amira's giving me this beautiful henna tattoo. My third one. They're all wonderful, And it's part of the wonderful experience that you have if you are wise enough to take advantage of the open house on the third Saturday of each month.
Nice.
She shows up, Amira does, each time and gives the ladies henna tattoos. And I really appreciate Amira. She's a great human being, fun to talk to.
Thank you.
You'll
thank
enjoy
you.
getting it done. It's fun watching her because she has fun painting all over.
Thank you so much, Esther, for coming to the
Enjoy
open
your-
house and getting your henna done. And hopefully we will see you next time.
Yes.
Alrighty, so we just got done doing the open house and we got to henna Esther today. Even when there's just one person, it's always worth doing because it's about learning and connecting with people on a human level. I'm all about that. So yeah, hopefully the next video we'll be doing some more interesting things. I think I'm gonna start the countdown for HennaCon. We will be doing HennaCon in October. Definitely gonna try to vlog that. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching, subscribing and liking. I appreciate all of that stuff. And I usually don't tell people to do this, but hit the bell the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications right away when I do the things and upload them. But yeah, so hopefully I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Peace.